Hi, this is Ruby from Art is My Life, and today we're going to show you this Moj Moj toy grabber. And for the subscribers, if you want to look at this video, please look at it and give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe.
Okay, so about this Moj Moj claw machine. Okay, so you could get it at like Toys R Us for $80, but it was a discount, so it's $70. Okay, so to start by this, okay, maybe if you get this, you know the instructions, but we want to redo it so it's clear. So you press this button, the play button. There's the music. Okay, so this button, this joystick, so you go down for down, and you go up for up. So these are more simple. So this is for left, and this is for right. Okay, so there's a time for 1 minute. So inside these eggs are Moj Moj. So you have to get them. Okay, so you go down and the joystick will do this, and then you reach it up and see if you could get the egg. You can also go up and down by this, but it's slower. And music like this means you don't really have enough time left. Okay, so the eggs are quite slippery, so it might take a lot of time to do this. But if you're really impatient and you don't want to grab all the eggs before hatching them, you could just open them right away. Okay, so we're gonna try to get all of the eggs and hatch and open all of them and see which Moj Moj we have. So let's start again. We're gonna reach out for this pink one. Okay, doesn't work, so we're gonna hail it up, move a bit, and we're gonna go down again. Okay, I think now we can go up. Okay, it doesn't work, so I think we can go down one more time. Okay, there, I think that's fine. Okay, it's a bit slippery, I guess. Or, okay, now I think we could try for this yellow egg because it's quite near the pink egg. There, we're reaching it. Yes, our first egg. There, so we got it. So we open it, and inside we get a Moj Moj. So right now I got this cat with the baby on top. Okay, so let's keep it on this side. Okay, now we're going to reach for the other one. So we're gonna push the play button again and hail this up. Now we're gonna move it. Okay, there. I think this one I have faith in because it's really close to the entrance. There. So my trick is you lower it down until like it's like this, so it's kind of stinky, and you get up. You have whoops. Okay, now let's get up and go down again. There. Okay. There. It's really down. Okay. Looks like this club machine is not willing to get this blue egg. Let's try again. Okay, maybe let's try that big egg now. There. There, okay, lower. Hail. Nope, go down again. Hail. Not working. Okay, now I think we can start aiming for stuff, and I think we could just aim for maybe the yellow egg. So hail this up and move this toward the yellow egg. Okay. So now we'll move a bit here. Okay, so we lower it down now. Okay. Did not work that way. Okay, now I'll go this way a bit so we won't catch on the left. Okay, now lower. Okay, I think we're gonna get that one. Okay, I think we're getting close to get the yellow one. Okay, lower. Oh no. Okay, we should go this way. There. Okay, we're running out of time. Maybe the pink one now. Okay, this claw grabber is really not agreeing with me.
We thought it would be so easy to do. Like, we're like, oh my gosh, this would be so easy. And we're like, oh my gosh.
Okay, now we're gonna press this button. Okay, so now we lower it. Okay, I'm not sure why I want to aim for a big egg, but it kind of looks nice. But unfortunately, I don't think the claw machine is going to agree with us. Okay, so lower it, lower, lower. Yes, we got the pink egg. Okay, now we're gonna hail it up toward the latch. Okay, so now we're gonna lower it down. There, so this one. I wonder what's inside here. So we got this glimmer bunny. That is so cute. Look at the glimmer, it's so glimmering. Okay, I'm just gonna put this inside and put it right next to our other MojMoj. Okay. Okay, now, okay, I think I'm gonna aim for one of the blue eggs because like they are really hard to get. Okay, so we're gonna cure the plastic up again and we're gonna aim toward the egg. Okay, now we're gonna get up. Okay, but that did not work as I planned because it's so close. Okay, so now I don't think we're gonna catch on again. There, now. Yes, our blue egg. Oh no, we dropped it. Okay, maybe it's slippery. There. What? How could that be possible? Okay, now get down again. I'm not sure what's making that noise. Okay. Up. No! How did it drop? Okay, down. No! Come on, we don't have enough time! Hurry, hurry, hurry! No, Rafa! No. Okay, now we're gonna do this again. We must get a blue egg. Okay, so now we're gonna aim for this egg again because it's so slippery. Okay, so open. Oh, there, perfect. What? How could that be possible? I am getting impatient. Okay. Okay, there. That is great. Okay, but first I'm gonna move front, and now I'm gonna move this way. So some people freak out when there's not enough time and the music goes fast, but don't freak out because you're just gonna make a whole mess of yourself. We got this cute, adorable white elephant. Oh, it's so squishy. I wonder why. Okay, anyway, so we got all the colors. So we're just gonna place the eggs together. And we've got some more eggs to go. So 3 more. But I think it's gonna be okay. Okay, so let's match up this Moj with their eggs. Okay, now I think we could let the pink egg loose. So when you get your Moj Moj card machine, put an egg here, because if you put an egg here, it'll be less trouble getting all the other eggs. Okay, so right now I think we're gonna get the pink egg. Don't let me in that. If you do, then I'm not gonna film it. Okay, now we're gonna lower the claw stick down. I'm gonna go up. Okay, now we're gonna go here. Here. Okay, we need to get this pink egg. Oh, we just did. What? Okay, let's lower this claw stick down again. We must not lose your pink egg. Yeah. How is that in all the world possible? Okay, let's hurry up. I'm getting impatient. Get down! Okay, like I said, do not worry, but I am freaking out right now. Okay, I'm just gonna get the yellow egg. Okay, now I'm gonna reach down and grab it. Okay, there. What? Okay, let's play again. Okay, now let's go into the entrance. Down. Perfect. Okay, I wonder who's in here. So, it's a cute duck. How cute is this? Why, it's so sticky. I wonder if it can stick on this. Oh, it can. Okay, I think I'm just gonna put it toward the rest. Okay. Okay, so now there's another person here. I mean, a Moj Moj here. Don't squish it. Okay, now we're gonna aim for the blue egg. Okay. Up. Now we're gonna go towards the blue egg. Now we're gonna go here. Down, down. Okay, now we're gonna go toward here. Now we're gonna go down to get the pink egg because I think the pink egg is more prettier than blue egg. No offense to those people who love blue. Okay, now we're gonna reach down again. Wow, this is really frustrating. Okay, most people freak out here, but right now, don't freak out when it's times like these. Because you can just restart, unless you're sharing with a sibling or like your brother's to an arcade or something. Great. What? We just got hold of it. Okay, now we're gonna play again. Okay, maybe you could waste the battery of this by doing that. But right now we really need to get all these eggs and figure out what's inside. No. There. Okay, I'm not gonna hail it because I'm afraid this is gonna bonk up to the top and the egg's gonna fall down. Oh, there, a tiny bit so it could get through. Yes, we got our egg. Now dump down. Okay, so I totally wonder what's in here. Okay, so open. It's this jellyfish. Broccoli. Why is it so squishy? Okay, I think it can stick to the screen. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I don't think it can. Dad, no. It's starting. Okay, hurry and put this in. Okay, now. Hurry. Elsa. hurry. We must hurry, or else our time shall be wasted. There. Down. There. Ah, my God. Okay, let's go here. What? I can't remember if this is the fast one because like, oh, this is the fast one. Okay, I do not think this could be possible. Okay. Don't freak out. Don't. What? Okay, let's try again. Wait. Oh yeah, we have the halo. Now down. Down. There. Up. Okay, this egg is so slippery. I think this is the egg that is so stubborn that it wouldn't want to go in its claws. Okay, I think this egg is not. Okay, I do wonder who's outside here. Okay, viewers, do you think that I could just reach inside and open this egg? Like, reach inside that hole to open that egg? Because I do. Okay, hurry. Do not stress out. What? Let's go again. We're not even there yet. Okay, now move here. Down. Okay, I believe in you, egg. Egg, I believe in you. Now please believe in me for getting you. Great. What? Great. This is nothing. Okay, I'm just gonna tiny move this. There, perfect. So I have enough room. Okay, now go all the way to the edge. There. Okay, this is not working well. Seriously, we just got the egg in our claw, and now we just lost hold of it. Let's play again. How did it just drop out of the claw? Okay, I've had enough of this. Okay, but I think I should finish this. Because all you guys will be sad that I'm not clawing it up. Down. What? Excuse me. Egg, are you disobeying me? If this does not work one more time, I am totally gonna reach inside here and grab it. Okay, I'm just gonna reach inside here. Okay, I'm being rude, but I am. There, got it. Okay, ow. Sorry that I really ruined your dreams of seeing me grab it and being silly of OMG, hurry up and get it. But I'm just gonna, okay, so I'm gonna open. It's this cat. OMG, this is so cute. I wonder if it's stick. Oh, can. Okay, so these are our 6 Moj Moj inside here. So we're gonna go check the checklist. Okay, got it. Okay, so I don't think it's a common because they're like also. Let's just start on the back. Okay, so this one could be this. And wait a sec. Does that mean that we got all of the claw cuties? Okay, so this one? Okay, this one. Okay. I think it's this. And this one? This one is definitely that. Oh wait, look. This one is a diamond. It's an ultra rare. We got an ultra rare, everybody. Okay, this is what's that? The star? What's that? Rare! Oh, we are so lucky. Okay, and what's this? Oh, this is here, so that is a rare. This elephant is white. Oh, we got an ultra rare, everybody. Ultra rare alert. And this ducky, it looks like this, but we got this ducky. It's an ultra rare. OMG. Are we having an ultra rare and rare party? Okay, the last one. Do these look alike? Not same color, but I do. Okay, guys, so in the comments, tell us if you think this cat is number 126. And if you do, then we are happy to have all the claw cuties. But I really wish that I got one of like the uni. Wait, what? The uni, or this one, or maybe like one of these emit something. Maybe they're like glow in the dark or something. And like this one's like glimmer, like our bunny friend here. Like this one is like probably. No, wait, this one is like it's glittery or something, so it's probably like this. But like these two, like this one, the green guy that looks like, I thought it looks like broccoli or something. He doesn't have any glitter, or he doesn't glow because it doesn't say over here. So I think he should have been over here. These look like these are original colors, like regular colors. Like look at this one, this laying lion, and look on the back. The laying lion is I'm not sure actually where it is. Here. I mean, they're not the same color, but they're like 4. So yeah, it's basically like all. So we got most of the claw cuties, maybe all, if we know if this guy is 126. It comes in the comments below, like we said. But we got all the claw cuties. Although I wish that we got like other ones, like maybe one for the claw cutie, and like maybe one from the disco party, or maybe one from like Party Animal or Happy Camper. I just don't want them all from Claw Cutie because then it's not really fun. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna put them back in their eggs. Okay, so I mean it's not their eggs, but I just think it's fine to like put them in random eggs. Like I can't remember where the eggs are, so if I'm excited, I can. Okay, where's our glimmer bunny? Oh, down here. Here are all our eggs. Okay, now we can put it through the hole in here again. But of course, I'm not doing it again, or that might freak me out. Okay, so remember to push one of these in. One of these in here. Yeah, perfect. There, 2 of them in there, so we have enough room. Okay, so to save energy, you close this tab at the bottom. So now you can't do anything. See? Okay, so that's to conserve energy. Okay, anyways, so again, if you think there's something that we should do for this video, or like suggestions for the other videos, I'll be glad to hear them in the comments. And you have to please give a comment, like a random word, or like a thumbs up or a thumbs down, so we know who you are. Because we really want to thank you for watching our videos. And we really hope that you buy this, because this is really fun. You can never like be bored of this. But although it's like $80, like plus tax or something, but then like, I don't know, 86. But there's an offer, so it's 70. So you better go to Toys R Us like around December, like when we bought it, because like soon the sale's gonna be out. Okay, so I really hope you bought this. You like this Moj Moj machine, and if you haven't, I hope you picked up some tips. And hopefully we can make another video about drawing, or if you want another video about Moj Moj and about toy. So bye everybody.